again, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Right, we're starting to rebuild it. The car itself is all sprayed up. Colours on. You've seen all the videos that relate to that. But now what we're going to do is start rebuilding the car. So we're going to start with the back axle. What I'll do is I'll show you all the component parts that I've refurbished over the last couple of years that I've been chipping away at the car. Get a little bits of that done as and when I can. So what I'll do is I'll show you the rear springs, and then I'll go over and I'll show you what I've done to the back axle, and just do a quick run through that, and then hopefully by the end of this video we'll have it on the car. So let's show you the best that we've done up to now. Okay, so there we have it. The rear road springs, everything you see there has been stripped back to the bare metal. It's all been red leaded, and on top of that we've got a decent quality chassis paint. So yeah, some of the bits I gave to my brother to go away and do some blasting. He works for the engineering firm, and he managed to get some of the smaller parts blasted for me. They've come back really well. I think they're the bump stop. The covers, I'm not too sure the proper name for them, but yeah, he done them for us, and he done the shackle, the rear spring eye shackles and whatnot. So yeah, but everything else I've sandblasted. I've had the wire wheel on it, wire wheeled it all back, cleaned it all up, and red leaded, as I said, and then put like I say, a decent quality chassis paint on it. But they've been sat around now for, must be a good 18 months waiting to go back on. So we've done them, put the car on the cover, and then out here we've got the rear axle, which I took apart and rebuilt. And as you see, we've got all the new brake lines in, all the underneath all the brake drums. We've got everything brand new, shoes, adjuster, brake cylinder, everything in there is practically brand new. The handbrake actuators, I think, well, actuator lever, I don't know. I took them off again, wire wheel them, and put a decent paint on them, and they come up really well. And at the back of the transmission, put a new gasket in, gasket glue. It's got new oil in there, and as you can see, we've got the new check straps there, both sides. And yeah, again, that's something else that's been sat around for well over a year waiting to go back on the car. So I think it's without further ado we start to rebuild it and get it back on the back end. So let's crack on with that, shall we? Right, springs themselves are reasonably easy to put back together. So we've got the spring eye going, sorry, the spring eye shackle going to the back of the vehicle. So we'll start with the right hand side as I'm looking at it. This would be in reality the passenger side. So bracket, sits on the top. Okay, that's our rear shockers over bracket there, and on the top there. Okay, and now what we'll do is we'll just take it over to the rear axle, and we'll marry it up to the U-bolts that are already put on the back. So we'll do that now. Right, so I've already worked out that this is going to be a bit of a pig of a job to be doing by myself. So I've had to employ the services of an old synthesizer stand. Who'd have thought I'd be doing that for car repair, or using that for car repair? So what I've already done is I've put the bolt stock plinth, I believe it's called, on already. Got the U-bolts on already. I've got one of the spring plates with a bush. All the bushes, by the way, are brand new. So get that. Put that back in. Well, as you can see, I dispense with the old synthesizer stand by there. Just turn the bloody thing over and do it like that. Makes an awful lot more sense. Anyway, needless to say, it's on. All the brackets are on. All the bushes are on, all that's it. Now, the manual. I can't find anything that gives me a torque setting for these. So, general rule of thumb, tight as you do. So that's what I'm going to have to do. Unless, of course, there's somebody out there that can let me know exactly what the torque settings are supposed to be for these U-bolt nuts. I'd be glad to find out. But like I say, I can't find anything at the moment. So what I'll do is I'll just crack on. I'll put the other side on, and yeah, give it a little look. Next up. See you all in a bit. Right, so it would appear I've got a little bit of success going on with the springs. They're on. They are both sides on, and they look alright. And like I say, general rule of thumb with the U-bolts nuts, I've only taken them up as tight as I do. I think both sides are more or less even. So yeah. Now then, next thing that I was looking at are the wheels. Again, I've had them sat in me, or one of my sheds, for definitely well over a year, because I refurbished every single wire wheel. I bought a set of wire wheels and I got them really cheap, I've got to be honest with you. But I refurbished them, spent about 5 or 6 hours per wheel. They're only painted, but they were all wire wheeled back. Everything was down to the bare metal, and they again have been undercoated. Red lead spray's gone on them. We've got about 3 layers of silver paint on there, which is a VW metallic paint, and then again about another 3 layers of lacquer on top. So I've done all them. They're all good to go. So all I'm going to do is pop them on the wheel up there, and just to see what they look like, really. And I think it's going to be easier getting it on the car, so we'll go for that and see where that one takes us. All right. Every time I put something back on this car, it really doesn't fail to impress me. They look absolutely fabulous. That's what a little bit of time and a little bit of effort does, rather than sending it off for powder coating or whatever, and, you know, paying a lot of money to get it done. Let's just show you the other side. And again, that one looks absolutely superb. I'm really pleased with them. Really am pleased with them. Okay, right. Let's move to get the thing on the car then. On to the next bit. there it is. I haven't done a great deal other than put the back axle on, but do you know what? To me, that's progress. So that's the first time the wheels have been on in creeping up to about 3 years, and yeah, I think they look absolutely marvellous. They're not bad. Oh, excuse me a sec. Yeah, they're not bad at all. They're not bad at all. Like I say, just a little bit of progress. I think that looks the business. Really do. Really, really do. Oh, just get up. Yeah, that'll do. They do look solid. Right, next job of action is to get the front axle off there and get that on there. So we're going to end that particular video. Like I say, a little bit of success. I'm really pleased, really, really pleased. So we'll end the video there, and I think the next plan of action will be getting the front axle on, get the steering rack on, and put the steering column back in. So yeah, thanks for watching. Really appreciate all your support. I'll see you in the next one. Alright, you take it easy. Bye for now.